time I actually want him to show you guys his scrubs, but then he's doing his own things.
Yeah. It's lucky go cafe's day.
Yeah, net feel like you're really accustomed to them.
So what's the first plan?
We shall manage. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to I AM KOKETSO and I AM KOKETSO. So this morning I couldn't vlog because I ran quite late, but luckily I made it on time. Not on time, but either way. And so we have arrived at the clinic that we're supposed to be for the next 2 weeks, and we're about to literally jump deep into the water or whatever. Scared I am to a certain extent, but we shall manage. I believe we shall manage. But otherwise there's 3 of us, and one of us is still out for a couple of seconds, so we're just gonna wait for her, and then
Start rubbing our head.
Hey. I don't want to get man. It's tough now. Waiting.
I was like, Joe, you're going to
Let me say hi to the camera.
Okay, they must have some things.
Oh yeah, actually no to tea. That is crazy, but okay.
But to let this shadow of tea also.
No, I didn't even eat anything, sir. Okay.
And then, and also we didn't conclude, guys. We didn't talk about this. Let's go on up before. Let's go on. Let's page again. Let's find out my first visit pregnant. Oh, they repeat it. They repeat again. Then postnatal care.
Because you're judging from how things went yesterday. Who is in here?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, Mika.
Yeah, I really got to upload a more because we do some more stuff. It's a marine.
Yeah.
Alright. For taking bloods. Person is a full-time healthcare worker, yeah? Yes, it ends. Walking down the corridors with a stethoscope. Even the nurses call me doctor, but either way, peace. It's too long. Hey!
Bukatle nje ba complain ka di nurse. Zogala kai. Bukatle nje ba complain this. Ba re ba itso.
Ba khale ba sa ite next to them.
Na ba se itse next go of the nurse.
Okay, so we just came back from the clinic or the hospital just now. And we have class starting in like how many? Like 4 minutes or so. We have class starting like now. So I'm just in my room to eat. But there's no time to eat like serious food, so this is what I'm eating. There's literally no time. I'm just eating a piece of cake because I can't. So I just cut a slice and I'm just quickly eating it, and then I'm going to class. Sugar rasnyana just to keep me awake. Otherwise, I'll eat real food when I get back. But yeah, peace. Yeah, but right now there's a class, so we should wait for that class to finish. 58. Something 58. Hello. 58. So I hope that class was supposed to end o'clock if we overlap. Hey. How what's you?
Rabatsena.
I got. Top dollar. Hey, no brother. Kunjani? Kuhle brother. Moja.
Fractured, then there's more space. With adenoids, as we mentioned with allergic rhinitis, there's mouth breathing, be on the lookout for that, snoring. This sort of tired-looking child can have a combination of things. If you were to do an endoscopy, you would find adenoids sitting in the back of the nose. So this would probably be a grade 3 or 4 adenoids, and we usually scrape these out.
By using that approach, there's the two other important questions to answer is to ask, is it physiological or pathological, unconjugated or conjugated? These are very typical.
Hello, Yala. This is like week 2, and so far but yeah, okay, we just got out of our class. It was a pediatrics class, and quite nice. We're learning about kids, learning about jaundice, yellow kids. But yeah, kind of nice. Before that, we had, what did we have? Oh, we had ENT, otorhinolaryngology, laryngology, whatever. But then we were doing rhinology, and we were learning about all these nose pathologies and whatsoever. And yeah, man, now it's time to go home. At least today we got out early. Didn't get out at 5. My God. So yeah, it's like 4 right now. So yeah, man. Oh, and Koketso is wearing scrubs. Oh! Talk about the scrubs of him.
Iya kwa morao. Ikanjisa mo yo. Keeper.
Go bapala le Haaland, guys. And we took sa bapala Haaland ka ba ne kitlo ko. I was actually gonna like win. I know football. I know how to play that.
Why Mikwa?
I know how to play that, Koketso. Why
It's
Unya?
fine, it's fine.
Why don't you have
Faith in you.
faith
I
in
don't.
me?
I don't. Who has faith in you? Exactly.
Wow, that's crazy, eh? That's like really crazy. That time I actually want him to show you guys his scraps, but then he's doing his own things.
Look fresh, ne? Ha, ref.
Hi guys, you're here. But either way, sorry, we came back to rest. Guys, Katele has. Oh, yeah, for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Like 2 weeks and then 2 weeks for England and 2 weeks for England.
2 weeks for each and every rotation.
Yeah, 2 weeks trauma, 2 weeks.
Oh, that's like 1 week. 2 weeks is like if
Yeah, make it 2 weeks. Jolo barre I'll honor maybe ka di holiday re ka le rona fela. We have to go home, sister. Like they and us, we are
okay.
Wait. What is ntho e I leveling yak? Ke fahlwa ke.
But look at Pagot.
it is you actually, hey? Yo, that is crazy. I'm so sorry.
Damn. Every day I find out that I'm short.
Yeah. But it's okay, that happens, eh? People think their life is fine.
And the bonus, love is this so what's not gonna fail.
But she's adapted. She's used to it. Doesn't really feel the pain anymore. You still feel it? Hello, hey yalla. So we just came back from class. This is how I look in scrubs. I'm sure you've seen. If I suspect you can seen the previous clip was showing me. But yeah, that's how we look. That's what we've been working for the past 2.5 years, and finally we're here. I'll sit down later and explain how today went and how I feel about it. It's been an absolutely incredible day. Tiring, but the tiresomeness, whatever, the exhaustion feels worth it or whatever. And yeah, man. So we'll discuss later as I reflect on today and all of that. Otherwise, I hope that up to this point you are enjoying this vlog. And yeah, I'm about to eat and then prepare to go to football practice, and then we'll talk when I get back from that. And peace.
2,000 years later.
Dumelang. So I'm currently editing the video that you'll be watching this vlog on, the video that you'll be watching this clip on. And as I was editing this video, I remember that there's something that I said on the video but did not really deliver on. I did say that I'm going to review how the day went, sort of explain how I feel about starting clinicals and doing rotations and all of that. And I didn't do that. I couldn't do that on the clip because when I came back later on the day, I did not really get the time to sit down and make the clip as I said I would. With that said, guys, the past week, recording this at the end of the week, the vlog was filmed on Monday and Tuesday, so you will see a couple of inconsistencies in the sequence of events, simply because it was filmed across 2 days, with the first day being the day that I was late in the morning, so I couldn't film a couple of things, right? So I could only film those things the next day and sort of compensate by using those clips on the day that came after, right? But on that note, it's been quite an experience. This has been quite an experience. So we have been put in certain divisions, right? So like I said on a previous video, half the class is on internal medicine and half the class is on surgery, and I'm in surgery. And in surgery we have different disciplines, and I'm starting with obstetrics and gynaecology. And in obs and gynae, it's such an amazing experience. We're working in clinics, where
for the past week, we've been doing antenatal visits. And what that is basically the visit that a patient, a pregnant lady, does before their child is born. So before giving birth, it's called antenatal, and after giving birth, it's called postnatal, right? So we are sort of, examining them, doing vaginal examinations. We are checking certain things, like looking at the size of their stomach to sort of determine how far into pregnancy they are, how close they are to labor, giving them an estimated date of delivery, and the likes and the likes and the likes. And it's been quite an experience. It's been quite fascinating, to be fair. The responsibility of being able to do such a thing, being able to draw blood, being able to do things that really change a person's life. One of the days I had a patient say to me at the end of my consultation and my examination and all that, and she looked at me and she said, which directly translated means that thank you, doctor, you treated me really well. And that really changed my heart. So yeah, man, otherwise I really hope that you enjoy watching this vlog, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and peace.